Yes.
Oh, okay. So my name is Constable Jean Luc.
Just a minute, please. Listen here. I'll just keep this like this. Yes, I got a staff sergeant contacting me.
Oh, okay. Did you speak to the staff sergeant?
He will be contacting me soon.
Oh, okay. And they can also call me. Because
That's fine.
I'm the investigating officer.
Well, James McKinnon is currently investigating my ex-wife, Dennica Edgett, for criminal harassment.
I'm not sure about that, but I got a call about this situation.
I know.
Today.
Well,
Yeah.
what you're doing is acting as a flying monkey.
No.
Acting and asking me questions and interrogating me about
No, I'm just
statements she
asking
has made.
Yeah.
I have a
I'm-
court order. Would you like to see?
No,
I have
that's
a-
okay. I'm just asking
Well-
questions. There is no need to. I'm not accusing you anything. I'm just asking questions.
You have accused me
I'm not
of
asking-
keeping
what-
my children in an unsafe environment.
That's what we got. That's what we received.
Again, she's made numerous complaints. My children, she made lots of complaints to the Department of Social Development. Twice I've been investigated.
Oh.
The allegations against me are completely unfounded.
Oh, okay.
Now there is a complaint with the Canadian Judicial Council against Justice Hugh McClellan for him making restrictions on my contact
No,
with my children based on her.
Let's just move the vehicle off the side of the road for safety reasons.
Well,
So we'll talk. Let's just move
Certainly.
away. Okay. All right.
Do you mind if I keep this on my dash and let it
The
run?
camera?
Yes.
Oh no worries. That's all right.
I'll pull right over here into this parking lot.
Yeah. You wanna go
Blueberry.
there?
Yes, please.
Okay. So what do
I have a court order here.
Oh, no, that's okay. We're gonna get
It's
to
not
that.
okay because right now she is in violation of a family court order.
Yeah.
And Section 282 of the Criminal Code says if a child or children are kept intentionally from a person in violation of a court order,
Yeah.
that is parental child abduction. A
Okay.
violation of Section 282 of the Criminal Code of Canada.
Okay, I know the
You're in
key-
law enforcement.
Yeah,
That's your
I-
job to enforce the laws of Canada.
It is. Also, safety is a big concern for me. Okay, when somebody calls me and say, "I fear for my kids" or
I
whatever,
do because
I take that
she's a narcissistic personality
I
disorder.
don't know that. I don't know your wife. I don't know you.
And you're here.
Yeah.
You were asking me questions based on the allegations she gave.
I'm just investigating.
Well,
I'm not accusing you.
I
I'm not
don't
saying-
have my children.
Yeah.
Right now.
I understand.
Well, then start taking a report. Let's go to the station and,
No, just
get this
relax.
document. No.
Relax, William. You're not helping anything with this. Okay? I'm just asking a question before we get to that. I know you have a court order. She told me that. She told me you have a court order.
Okay.
I know you're supposed to have your kids at 6 p.m.
Yes.
I know that. And I'm also concerned.
And you're not doing anything about it.
No, and I'm also concerned that you're not having your kids at 6 p.m. That's why I'm asking questions. I'm not here to accuse you. I'm not here to.
You don't need to ask me questions. My
No,
children.
I have to.
For what?
I just want to make sure the kids are safe in the house.
We're not staying in the
Listen,
house.
Between you
See,
and your, no,
who says the children are staying in the house?
kids were staying at your house. That's
No.
where they were staying.
No, they weren't.
No, they used to stay at your house.
No, they didn't. I lived at 1 Grove Street
So now, where were kids staying? Where were kids staying?
with either at my parents' home in 295 Point Road. Sorry,
Yeah.
we own property 270 as well.
So the kids never stay in the house?
No, never stayed in the house.
Oh, okay. So, well, I mean,
They've never stayed in the
that's
house.
That's what I'm asking question. But you're not helping me.
Wait, I don't need to answer that question. You don't need.
That's fine.
You don't need. You're not investigating a criminal offense here. So you ask me
No.
about my children.
No, it's not.
Is-
a criminal offense.
You're right. It's not. So you have no right to ask me about
Then
my
if-
children.
Yeah, then if you can't answer my question, I can't help you.
I don't need to answer your questions.
No,
You
that's
need to
fine.
take a report.
That's fine.
You need to take
I
a
don't have
report
to
of a
take a report.
Yes, you do.
I need to ask questions before I take a report. I can't do a report if I don't have the question.
I'm telling you. You know already the children are not with me,
I know that. They
and
will
you're
be
not
away.
taking a report. I have the court order.
How
She
am I
already
gonna-
told you.
I'm gonna take a report with what?
Then I'm telling you my children aren't with me. You already know that.
No, to take a report, you need to ask questions.
Well, let's go to the station. I have
No,
already
you
offered
can't.
to go there
No,
with
no.
you.
So this is why I came over here.
Why are you here? This
I'm here
this
for-
is a criminal violation.
Yeah.
Criminal Code of Canada violation, and you're not doing anything about it. I've already sent messages to Wayne Long and Karen Ludwig concerning this.
Yeah. No, that's okay. Contact them or whatever.
am.
That's fine.
I am.
Okay? Now, what I was coming, I was trying to help you and help everybody, trying to resolve the situation civilly without any issues. That's why I'm here. I'm not here to cause any problem. I'm here to make sure you get your kids back.
Okay, where are they? How come I don't have them, and how come you're not arresting
That's what
her
I'm here to
for a
investigate.
violation of Section 282
That's
of
what
the
I'm
Criminal
here to
Code?
investigate, but you're not helping. But
I am helping you. I told you she's keeping them from me, and you're already aware that she's keeping them from me in violation of family
but
court
there's
order.
a reason why she's keeping them.
No, she made up a reason. She made up
How
lots
do I
of
know
reasons.
she made up the reason?
That doesn't matter.
It matters.
No, it doesn't. They're not in immediate danger. It's none of your business. You are here as a flying monkey because you don't know what a flying monkey is. It's a psychological term.
Disregard you too.
It's a psychological term.
No,
It's
sir.
when a
Sir.
narcissist it gets help from other people
Just
to
wait, just
harass
wait,
the
sir.
target.
Just wait.
So he's not doing anything about it, and he's just been questioning me based on her allegations.
Who's working? No, Tom White, I think he's done. I haven't seen him. Oh, for sure, yeah, I'm available now.
Oh, when I showed up at my home, 9 Bayview Road, the police officer was parked right here, just kind of hiding around the corner. So I stopped in the middle of the road to talk with him.
Yeah, actually, I finished talking to him. I can answer your questions. The reason why she made the decision
.227 Narapus Road, right there. Custody dispute. Com wants to give us a heads up that the father of her children will call to advise that she did not bring the children to visit due to things they have told Com. VLC told Com they have been living in a tent at their father's. No walls, floors, beds. Social would have tried to choke Com's youngest son. So is Bill Edgett. So Williams Collin said he received a text message from ex-wife. SOC would have tried to choke Com's youngest son. Oh, I don't even know what that is. But she went into the detachment today. It's event number 1907-06954. Occurrence number 190-706-954. Reported 2019-0722, 1649. So she went and gave a police report saying that she was intentionally keeping children from me based on allegations, and misled the cops as to the circumstances, which is obstruction of justice. And this is going to lead to a civil proceeding. Because I've already messaged my lawyer, and I will be making a motion for contempt first thing in the morning. And I'll also be filing a complaint if they do not start an investigation under Section 282 of the Criminal Code of Canada for parental child abduction. All the standards are met. She has intent, and I do not have my children. There is a court order in place. All the criteria are there. And still, this officer is standing over there, speaking to someone else, and not taking a report that my children are being kept from me in violation of the laws of our country. And he still insists on interrogating me and saying that the children were kept in the house. They have never stayed a night in the house. So I don't know what the problem is, and he isn't trying to help me. He's helping her by keeping my children from me. All I can do is sit here and wait to see if he's going to do his job or not, or if he's going to continue to help her be negligent in his duties. Hello. I got the fire department's coming right down now. I'd like to have them sit here too. I used to be a member. Josh Shannon, my neighbor, is the deputy chief.
I don't know what the fire department is here for, but anyway.
I'd like to have someone witness this because
you
you said that the children stayed a night in the house. Now that is not true.
No.
You did say that. It's recorded already.
No, that's fine. So listen, sir. So basically, like I say, I'm not here to cause any problem.
No, you're here to do your job.
That's
I need my children.
It. And I have to ask questions. And when somebody
you don't have to ask questions.
I do have to ask questions because I can't do my job if I can ask questions. What's your name? Where do you live? I need to know those things. Those are questions, sir.
Yes, and I don't have to answer those.
You don't have to. If you can answer those, how can I help you then? We can't.
I'm the one making the complaint.
No, we can't. No, your wife made the complaint.
What'd she make a complaint about? And is her complaint illegal?
That's not up to me to decide. I need to investigate.
Well,
I need to ask questions.
Again,
So
you're conducting an investigation right now based on complaints Dennica, my ex-wife, had made.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you. So am I under arrest or being charged with anything?
Not at all.
Not at all. So where are my children?
Your children are with your wife.
Okay, I have a custody order that says the children are to be in my charge and care right now, and they're not.
I know that.
That is a violation of Section 282 of the Criminal
I
Code.
do know that.
Are you going to write up a report and investigate?
We will do a report. But I mean, you don't give me any answers to my questions.
I don't have to answer your questions.
Absolutely. So
My children are supposed to be with me right now. I'm going to Hello. Hey, Mr. Hoyt. I'm Bill Edgett. I used to be a member. My children are being kept from me in violation of family court order. I've called it into the RCMP, and he's not investigating or doing anything. Because she went and started... Thank you. This is Mr. Hoyt. He's one of the members of the fire department.
Who is that?
Mr. Hoyt. He's one of the members of the fire department. He's one of the senior members.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing? You good?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
He's looking after us.
He's not looking after
I know,
me.
but he's way above us.
So,
I just want someone to recognize this, because my children are being kept from me in violation of a court order right now. That is a violation of Section 282 of the Criminal Code. I've asked him to take a report, and he has not. Instead, he has harassed me about allegations my ex-wife made to him this afternoon at the police station. He's not doing his job.
Mr. William, I told him that I'm doing an investigation to make a proper decision.
Okay, now...
You say you can't answer my questions.
I don't have to answer your question.
Fair enough. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. All right, William, have a good day, sir.
I'm gonna have to leave it up to him. And I would make a suggestion if you call the police and ask for a supervisor.
I have, and there's one supposed to be contacted. Thank you.
Hopefully that'll work out well. Sorry.
Thank you. I want to go to the police station and make an audiovisual statement.
Okay. Right now, I'm gonna do an investigation. What I'll do, I'll get you to. I'm gonna call you because I have your phone number, and I'm gonna book you in for a statement.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'm gonna contact you, but right now I got a few things that I need to take care of. I try my best to talk to you, see if I can get more information. You don't have to answer my question. You're not in charge. You're not anything. So that's your right. I absolutely understand. And that's why I'm moving on with the next step of my investigation.
Good. Thank you very much.
And other than that, I wish you a very good day, sir.
Thank you very much. Conflicting stories. Told me I was being investigated, then told me I was not being investigated. Now, hope he's going to investigate. Didn't even need to see the copy of the report because he knows. All right, everyone's left. Hopefully I'll get my children.